Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. You already know, anybody that's coming to my channel, y'all is here to learn some Jews, okay? Baby girl is dropping them. I'm giving y'all everything that y'all have asked for. Now today I'm going to show you how to do the side swoop bang. I get a lot of people that says, how are you making it stick? Are you putting a clip right there? Is you just throwing it behind the ear? I get all of these comments on how to do this swoop. So stay tuned as I drop these jewels on y'all ass on how I achieve this smooth, polished swoop, okay? Now, for the ones that are asking, yes, I glue in the tracks. You only need 2 tracks, ladies. You do not need 3, 4, and 5 tracks right here. I don't care how thin or how thick the client's hair is. 2 tracks is good enough, okay? And as you can see, my client has a little alopecia on the side, which is totally fine. We're actually going to cover that up, you feel me? So as you can see, I kind of already had it parted out. I just took a little section out. I glued the tracks in between her real hair. Now if you want to sew this in, go ahead to you, but guess what, it's not going to be as flat and it's not going to be as polished because of the braids if you have to sew it in. To each his own. This method I am showing you is a glued method. I already did her quick weave in the back. Now pay close attention because this right here is a game changer. All right, now pay attention. Do y'all see that the swoop is not going anywhere? Do y'all see how I molded this swoop? Now we're going to take the open bobby pins and we're going to put that bobby pin as close as possible to the braid right there. You can't see the braid, but it's a braid right there from where the hair is being glued down at. You're going to stick those bobby pins right on in there, okay? You do not need it bulky, so you want to probably use like 2 or 3 bobby pins so it can remain flat as possible. I'm a perfectionist, so I'm going to make sure that that swoop is laid, that it ain't no cracks in that swoop. Sorry. I'm going to make sure that swoop is nice and polished. Now check this out. You pull that hair over that swoop right there and watch me turn her to the side. Baby girl ain't got no lumps, no bumps, no nothing. Okay? It's going to lay very flat. She can brush her hair, comb her hair 100 times. Them pins is not coming out. That swoop is not messing up. Get into the motherfucking difference, okay? Now, here's a sneak peek of her back. Most of y'all that have already watched my half up, half down videos with no leave out. If you haven't, go tune into that, like and comment. As you can see, I'm pulling her hair back. The swoop is not messing up. So let's get into this style. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my girl on up, get her picture perfect, okay? And I'm gonna just show you guys, even if the hair is straight or curly, that you still should not see the pin or even how the swoop is even being kept together. As you can see, it's a flawless install, a flawless finish. Y'all better give me my roses while I'm still alive. I want to thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys learned something, if not nothing. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Click the link in the description box to purchase my premium BeezWax. And make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.